Hey, what's up, everybody?
What's going on?
This is Tony.
And I'm Jenny.
And we are Lido Loca, and it's Sunday mail time.
Sunday mail time.
Volume 2 for January. Welcome back to the channel. We committed last Sunday to having one mail time a month, but then I went to the post office and there's still a lot of Christmas mail.
Right.
So this is mail time part 2. We got a lot of cards and we got packages. And are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's start with some cards. First up, we have this card from Joe and Irene Matee. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Joe and Irene.
And this card's from our friends Steve and Ann Boyce. Stephen and Ann, thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, you guys. That's my casino buddy.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. And this one comes from our friends Julie and Nathan.
Merry Christmas, you guys. Thank you. Wow, what a cool crafty card. Handmade by our friend Stephanie M. Thank you so much, Stephanie. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this cool card comes from our friends the Yorks. Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, guys.
All right, it's not a Christmas card, but it's a White Castle gift card from Russell, marking the soon-to-be-open White Castle in Orlando. He wants our first lunch there to be on him. Thank you, Russell. Definitely. It's what we crave.
Thank you, Russell. That's so sweet.
Jenny, are we going to White Castle when it opens in Orlando?
We will.
I know at least one of us are. We got this package from our friend Dewey. So our friend Dewey has sent us this Merry Christmas card, and Dewey has his own YouTube channel called Dewey's Destinations, and he sent us some swag. Yeah, so cool swag like a shot glass, we got an enamel pin, we got a sticker, all some cool stuff from Dewey's Destinations. Thank you, Dewey.
Thank you, Dewey.
And we got this package from our friend Jay Mockingbird. Ooh, a nice fluffy pillow from Sharon at Sea Travel. Very cool.
Thank you, Jay.
Thanks, Jay. And we got this package from Michelle G. First, we got this cool Santa Claus card. And also these pot holders. Very Christmas. We're going to decorate our kitchen for Christmas next year, Jenny.
We are.
As soon as you bring me some figgy pudding.
Bring me some figgy pudding.
Thank you, Michelle. Very cool.
Oh, they're scented. Like peppermint.
They smell like Santa.
They smell like Christmas.
Christmas time. And we got this package. I'm not sure who it's from. This comes from our friend Becky Johnson, and this is a super practical 50 mask. Disposable. Mask up.
Which is perfect because I have to wash our other ones. So
yeah, our cloth masks, you got to wash them frequently. I like having some disposables in the interim.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Becky. All right, let's jump back into some more cards. This comes from our friends and fellow YouTube creators, Dave and Brandy.
Dave and Brandy.
Thank you, guys. It's a great card. I like the pictures cards. We've got this card from Nancy and Kevin Allen. Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. I love that card.
We got this awesome Christmas card from the Perez family. Thank you, guys, so much. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you guys.
We got this cool Christmas card from Bob and Sarah, fellow YouTube creators, the Coos Cruisers. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for this cool card from Marlene and Matt Reisner. Merry Christmas.
Guys. Merry Christmas.
We got this package from our friend Ian from Australia.
Down under.
Yeah.
The Uber Cruiser.
All right, we had to dry our tears for this lovely card. Thank you, Ian and Sandra. You guys are super special to us. And then Ian prefaced it and said that whatever gift he sent us, we couldn't be sending it back. Can't send it back because it's a boomerang. You can try to throw it, but it comes back. Look at this. We have an authentic Australian boomerang, Jenny. I could go hunt with this.
That is super special.
Rangs. Thank you, guys. I'm really stoked about this. I can't wait to take it out in the field and see if I can throw and catch it. Nice. Merry Christmas, you guys. Thank you so much. This package comes from Toy in Maryland.
Thank you, Toy.
All right, so this note we have to talk about. Jenny and Toy, they have a connection. They both love chicken livers and gizzards, which are some inedible part of a chicken.
No, they're not. They're the best.
I've tried them both, but if you put some of this G sauce on it from Go Chicken Go, which apparently is what, the best place in Kansas City, it makes the gizzards and lizards more tolerable.
I know.
I'm gonna eat that on something, but it ain't gonna
I cannot
it's not gonna be
wait
chicken
to
and
open this
gizzards.
up.
Do we have to go find that little place on the side of the road? I wonder if they're still.
I know. I wonder if they're still there.
Thank you so much, Toy. Pretty
Thank
cool.
you, Toy.
We got this package from Tammy Butterfield.
Thank you, Tammy.
All right, so let me show you a couple of things. There's a whole thing of cookies and candies in here. All this stuff made by Tammy, and she's super creative. Check out the little snowman cookie.
How cute is that?
That's very cool. And like I said, there's lots of goodies in here, which we will be rationing out over time.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wow.
Thank you, Tammy. All this stuff looks awesome. She also made these coasters, which are super cool. Lido Loca vlog. Looks like a Scrabble letters.
Yes, Tammy, I love those. They're perfect.
Very cool. We got this package from our buddy Lou, Commander Redhawk.
Lou.
All right, so Lou has sent us a bunch of gifts from his travels to Williamsburg, Virginia, and yeah, let's just get into it. First, you may or may not know, but Jenny collects the Starbucks location mugs, and Lou has added to that collection today with Washington D.C.,
Yay.
which we do not have. Very
It's a
cool.
beauty one. I love that one.
And Virginia. Virginia's for lovers, Jenny.
Oh my goodness, I was just thinking the same thing. I'm like, oh, Virginia's for lovers.
Lou has also included this can koozie from Williamsburg, established 1699. We got honey roasted peanuts from the Peanut Shop of Williamsburg. Now this is super interesting. Virginia cardinal poop. Dig this. Chocolate covered sunflower seeds covered and dyed red. I've never heard of such a thing.
That's interesting.
I've had some meals that tasted like, I mean, not that you made, but
No.
do you want to try some cardinal poop?
Go ahead.
That's amazing. It's the flavor of sunflower and chocolate, which makes sense. And red dye, which you know makes every kid hyper. I'm all for more red dye.
I know you are.
Those aren't gonna last long. Just a heads up. We're gonna have to I'll be looking in the backyard for more cardinal poop.
Thank you.
And we have an assortment of jerkies. Mike's Jerky, Christmas, green chili, and red chili. And then there's this one that says really hot. Should I try that right now? Do you dare me?
Dare you.
We got nothing to drink in here either. And still a few more packages to go.
He says to moisten your mouth a little bit so that you can let it savor in your mouth.
All right, I'm breaking off a small piece.
Can I smell it?
It's really hot.
Ooh, it smells really hot. Your eyes are tearing. How come? Ooh, wow, that smells hot. I bet you it's good though, because it smells good, but it smells hot.
I might need some of those chocolate things. Ooh, what's the ingredients on that? Habanero. It's not bad. It's good. This is something I could consume. Nice and spicy. Wash it down with some cardinal poop. Wow. Thank you, Lou. That was all very nice.
Thank you, Lou.
Appreciate
Thank you for
you.
thinking
Very
of us.
kind. Merry Christmas. This one comes from our beautiful daughter, Danielle. Paul La La La, the Archuletas. Thank you, Danielle. Merry Christmas.
That's a beautiful little family in that little character.
We really should have talked to her over Christmas. I'm just kidding.
We did.
We also got this card, kind of a cool looking card from the Knight family. If Santa's sleigh had airbags. That's pretty funny.
That is fun.
Thank you guys. Merry Christmas. We got this card from our fellow content creators, Beach Please, Mike and Betsy. We got to meet them on the Vista. Super fun, super creative. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for thinking of us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Beach Please.
Beach, please.
Sounds naughty.
That's
Naughty. We got this card from the Wines family, and there was also an ornament in there. That's right, the year of lockdown. Thanks, Gwen and Brett. We sure do appreciate it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
We got this card from the Carmack family. Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And this card comes from our friends Keith and Mickey Madison. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
And a quick shout out to our friends Julie and Eddie down there in Texas. Thank you for the wonderful Christmas gift. You guys are so special. You mean a lot to us. And of course, we appreciate you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We love you guys.
All right, so that's it for the cards. We got 2 packages left. We got this package from our friends the Cluets.
The Cluets.
We start off with this card from our friends Aaron and Aaron. Aaron and Aaron. I'm sure Jenny will correct me on that.
Aaron and Aaron.
That's right. Thank you. A cool card and a bunch of gifts. So we got Starbucks. Wow. Thank you so much. You know what you're doing. What I really appreciate is when a collector lets go of their collection in a meaningful way. And so they're scaling down their Beanie Baby collection. So recreating some fun Lido Loca moments. We have the sloth and the iguana. Can we put this on your head?
No, get it off.
Is this...
Do you want me to cry?
And we also have gifts unwrapped. I think they're all mine. No?
I'll open one, you open one.
Okay. Well, I'm opening this one.
Ooh.
Look at this. A little Lego. Thank you so much. Lost in space.
I need your knife, please.
Jenny has something she needs open. We'll be back. And we're back.
I love cats.
That's really funny. For all you cat people out there, we do love cats. Every cat.
Let's be honest.
I am being honest.
Afraid of cats. They're cute.
There's one more.
I'll use that.
Oh, and a sloth tree decoration.
Aw.
Look at that.
I love that.
Very cool. Wow, guys, thank you so much. Very awesome. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
Cluets.
This is cool getting stuff after Christmas.
Yeah, 2 years.
I feel like we're early for next Christmas.
We'll see you in 2 years.
They're going to be on the Vlogger Extravaganza.
That's right.
Very nice. All right, and then our last package is from the Horsleys. I hope it's not ice cream.
Uh-oh.
So first we have this card. It's from Shane and Dawn, Hunchback on the Seas Travels, and they also make stuff, Horsleys Creations. First, the wonderful card. And then we have this Christmas ornament that they made. It's got ducks in it. It's got a seascape. It's got a cruise ship. Very cool.
A palm tree.
A palm tree. That's going on a Christmas tree.
I know, I love it.
Don't drop that. And also we have some Kickin' Horse coffee. This looks good. It says Smartass on it. This must be for you.
How dare you?
I'm getting in trouble over here. Okay, so that was the mail haul part 2 for Christmas. Amazing. Thank you guys so much. We got blessed at Christmas, after Christmas.
Yeah, your kindness is just overwhelming sometimes.
It's fun opening gifts here in January. Jenny, that's a hint. Maybe you could have me a gift that I could unwrap maybe every week or something. Thank you guys so much for watching the show today. If you want us to read your mail, what's the look on her face like? If you want us to read your mail, the address is in the description. Thank you so much. My name's Tony.
And I'm Jenny.
And we are Lido Loca. And until the next time,
We'll see you on the Lido.
we'll see you on the Lido.
Bye.